Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Jarvis, Ontario, a charming community nestled in Haldimand County. Located at the crossroads of Highway 3 and Highway 6, Jarvis is conveniently situated near towns like Simcoe, Townsend, Cayuga, Port Dover, and Hagersville. The origins of Jarvis date back to the early 1800s, when the land was granted to William Jarvis, the provincial secretary of Upper Canada from 1792 to 1817. In the early 1900s, Jarvis was a bustling hub featuring 4 churches, 4 hotels, 5 blacksmiths, a school, a brickyard, and a cheese factory. Over the years, the community has evolved, and as of the 2021 census, Jarvis is home to 1,200 residents. Today, Jarvis maintains its small-town charm while offering various shops, stores, and businesses for visitors and locals alike. The town's rich history and welcoming atmosphere make it a delightful place to explore.
Thanks for watching!